2018
Lexus RX.
With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.